Alright, let's cut through the noise. Bitcoin is holding firm above $104,000 and everyone's watching to see if this is just a pit stop before the next big move. Now, despite a 1.2% slip in the last 24 hours, BTC is consolidating bullishly. That means, yeah, we've got some chop. But the bigger picture? Still strong. One sharp trader put it this way: if Bitcoin cracks through its recent highs, we could be staring down a run to $145,000. That's serious upside potential. But zoom out and you'll see the macro backdrop is messy. The Fed just hit pause on rates again, inflation jitters are still in the air, and global trade deadlines are lurking. Crypto markets, not surprisingly, have gone a bit quiet. Volatility has dropped, and traders are hedging with puts, betting on short-term pullbacks. Open interest in BTC and ETH perps? Flat. Option markets? Skewed negative. It's a classic wait-and-see moment. Seasonality is also kicking in. June and July are usually sleepy for crypto, and that's exactly what we're seeing. But here's a twist. The US Senate just gave a nod to a stablecoin framework, adding another layer of regulatory clarity. That's got institutions perking up and thinking long-term. Ether's lagging its 2021 highs, but if it can punch through $2,900, $3,400 is totally on the table. So don't sleep on ETH either. But let's keep it real. Right now, with end-of-month flows and no new catalysts, Bitcoin could stay trapped in this $102K to $108K range for a bit longer. Still, history says the second half of the year is when crypto wakes up. Some are already loading up for the next leg higher. Bottom line, the worst might be behind us, and if the breakout comes, it could catch a lot of people off guard. Stay sharp, stay patient, and don't forget, sometimes the best trade is just waiting for your moment.